Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about Alva Boutique or Boutique Alva, whether it's a legit online store or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Alva Boutique or Boutique Alva sells itself as a fashion-forward online store offering Scandinavian-inspired styles. The website looks clean and trendy and they showcase a wide range of clothing and accessories. But good looks alone doesn't mean it's legit. Over on Trustpilot, this site has a 3.5-star rating based on a moderate number of reviews. Some shoppers were happy with their purchases, praising the quality and design, but others reported delayed shipping, poor customer service, and issues with returns, things that definitely raise eyebrows. Adding to that, scam tracking platforms suggest exercising caution. There have been concerns about limited transparency behind the business, and the site's overall trust score isn't exactly glowing. So for the final verdict, Alva Boutique doesn't scream total scam, but it also doesn't give total peace of mind. If you're thinking about ordering, start small, maybe one item, and make sure you pay through a secure method like PayPal, just in case anything goes wrong. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.